how to create an Amazon Flex account in Canada. So here's what you want to do. Go search for Amazon Flex Canada and click on this website that pops up, flex.amazon.ca, and here you can see an overview of Amazon Flex. With Amazon Flex, you use your own vehicle to deliver Amazon packages as a flexible way of earning extra money on your own schedule. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna click on the three lines, and then we will click on how it works and getting started. Now it is going to tell us that we need to reserve a block once you have downloaded the app and set up your account. You can look for delivery or driving opportunities that fit your schedule. You will make your deliveries and you will get paid. So if you want to create an account, you will have to download the app from the App Store or the Google Play Store and just follow the prompts to create your Amazon Flex account. Afterwards, after you have verified your information, you can begin sending or making deliveries. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.